Welcome to Wander Tahoe Slopes, located in the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountain range of California. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the really fun activities that you can do while you're staying here. So without further ado, let's get to it. No matter what time of year you visit Lake Tahoe, you need to check out their beaches, and my favorite beach is Kings Beach State Recreation Area. This stretches along Lake Tahoe's northern shore, and this beach is the largest in the area. It's nearly a 13-acre park, which encompasses a fair amount of shoreline on the northern edge of Lake Tahoe. It's ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and boating, plus there's also a picnic area and a playground. I'm here at the Squeeze Inn. This is a local spot that was started in 1974. It's in Truckee, California, only about 18 minutes from the house. And they serve the best omelet on the planet. Don't believe me? Just read the New York Times, Forbes, Vogue. Plus, they were actually featured on Food Network's Bobby Flay Throwdown for the omelets. This is called the Racy Tracy, and this is what that was featured on the Bobby Flay Throwdown. This has sauteed mushrooms, avocado, apple smoked bacon, and all the goodness, and it has Monterey Jack cheese. They also have great pancakes. These pancakes are literally the size of my face. Wow, that's really good. I'm telling you, like, this is a spot to come for breakfast, plus it's locally owned. That's my preference, always doing locally owned. That's good. I feel like they should have more awards for their pancakes, to be honest. If you're looking for a good breakfast spot, definitely check out the Squeeze Inn. If you are a beer lover, then you need to check out 50/50 Brewing. This spot is a brew pub, which means that even if you don't like beer, they have delicious food. I personally love their giant pretzel. I also got their soup of the day. We also ordered some of their ribs and their chicken wings. Everything was so good. Like, my husband is a really big beer lover and he enjoyed his. He said their pale ale was really, really good, and it's also one of their classics, so get that. It's cool. You can actually bring home some of their locally made beer, and while you are dining, you can see where they brew the beer. It's kid friendly, which I appreciate. If you can get one of the couch seating areas, it's just like way more cozy. But most of all, just enjoy your beer and cheers. Lake Tahoe is known to have some of the most amazing skiing and snowboarding in the entire country, so you definitely have to check that out when you're here. Now, you can do it right on the Wander property because it's located at North Star Resorts, or if you're not a skier or a snowboarder, don't worry, you can still see the beauty of the snowy mountains and Lake Tahoe itself. Here at Palisades Tahoe, they have an aerial tram that goes 8,200 feet above sea level. It is a 10-minute panoramic vista. You just enjoy the view of Lake Tahoe, the mountains, the skiers. It's definitely something you gotta check out, and it's great for families. So if you have young kids like me, you can bring them there, because obviously I'm not about to bring my one-year-old baby on the slopes. They also have tons of shops, coffee shops, they have clothes, they have restaurants. So Palisades Tahoe has a little bit of everything, whether you're skiing or you're not skiing. Emerald Bay State Park was carved millions of years ago by glaciers, and this is a must-see for anyone looking to experience Lake Tahoe's beauty. It's sheltered by towering trees and is an inlet along the southwest shore of Lake Tahoe. It's known for its colorful granite cliffs and gorgeous vistas. To get here, all you need to do is follow Highway 89 south from Tahoe City. From there, you'll come across the Emerald Bay Lookout. That's the park's crown jewel, and that's where you're going to have the most amazing views and great photo ops. Lake Tahoe is one of the most beautiful lakes in the U.S. It's also the second most deep and has some of the purest, most delicious tap water. You can actually practically drink it right out of the lake. It's that pure. So while you're here, you gotta go to a restaurant that's overlooking this gorgeous lake. I'm here at Gar Woods. Gar Woods was actually a man who created the fastest luxury speedboats. It goes over 100 miles an hour, and today you can buy these speedboats for about $180,000. They're definitely high-end speedboats. So this restaurant's named after that. It's right on the lakefront. You can look at the gorgeous lake as you dine. They are known for their seafood and their steak. I recommend getting their coconut prawns and their filet mignon. They're both delicious. I also really enjoyed their French onion soup. And this is just a great spot to come during sunset so you can see the beautiful views of Lake Tahoe because it's stunning. Thanks for joining me in Lake Tahoe. Between the wonderful activities to do here and the luxurious property here at Wander, I'm confident that you're going to have an amazing time here. We hope to see you soon. Bye.